Welcome to the Eureka newspaper search. I'm going to walk you through just a simple search today. We're going to begin by looking at the issue of religious clothing and how it's presented in the Canadian media. And I'm going to be focusing particularly on issues around Islam. As you can see here in the search, you can see the different options we have. We're in the document search. And here's our search box. I can open up additional features, and I can take a look at other search boxes, so I can construct a search with my key terms linked by and, or without. So if I want to limit my search to exclude certain things, I would use without. Or is also very valuable if you're looking at alternative spellings of particular terms. And you can focus your search by looking at different fields within the newspaper article, so the author, the title, the lead line, particular sections, or anywhere in the text, which would be equivalent to just your keyword search. We'd have here your date options. And we have our content options. So let's begin our search. I'm going to go into the top search box, and I'm going to begin looking for my first key term, which will be niqab. Now, notice this list here. Here's my logical operators. These are different search key terms here, if I wanted to look in a particular page. What this is doing is allowing me to add in the operators that the database would use if it was looking for something. So I'm going to use the or here. And I'm going to look at other terms. For instance, I'm also going to look for burqa. And I'm going to use an alternative spelling. Now if I use these boxes here, I could do exactly the same thing. The database would automatically stick in my operators for and, or not. I'm using or because I have more than 3 terms, and I'm going to just add it in. So here's my search term. Now I want to take a look at news stories from the last 7 days, so I'm going to limit my search there. Now content. At the moment my database is searching all its content. I am looking just for Canada, so I'm going to use the English and French media, and there's my search. Alright, let's begin. So I have 7 results in my field here, and I can take a look at the results. I see I have both English and French results in my list. And you'll notice there are the alternative spellings for burqa here. So it's a good thing I used that. And I might have wanted to add alternative spellings for hijab as well. Now that I have my my articles, I can click it here, and I can take a look at the full text article down in this window. If I want to keep that, I can tag it, and you'll see they start showing up in my folder up here. So I have 2 documents in the folder, and I'll add a third, so now I have 3. I can sort the ones I have by date, source name. I don't have very many, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. You can see in here, you'll see the title that you need for citation. You're going to see the date. You're going to see the source. This is from the Washington Post, but it looks like it's been republished in the Telegraph Journal. And I have all that information available here. I can expand this so I can see the full article in the window. I can save it. I can print it. Of course, I can delete it from my list.